Hey guys, welcome to another episode of a SaaS landing page breakdown. And this breakdown will cover ConvertKit, which finally is actually a good example for us to cover. And I'm going to show you what I like about this page, what I don't like about this page, because there's obviously a few things that I would improve, and what I would improve in this page to make it, perfect, and to basically convert as many people as possible. So starting right away from the top of the page. I don't think this headline is good because it's kind of generic because they're saying connect with your audience, make a living doing work you love. I don't think it's related to what the product does because what the product actually does is an email marketing tool designed for bloggers, right? So that's why they can build an audience doing what they love because this is built for bloggers. So yeah, I understand the value of focusing on emotion, but you're focusing too much on emotion without showing them how they can get that emotion and how they can get the results that will get them, this emotion, right? So this part is kind of useless, but I mean the rest is still good, right? So what they do here is what I really like is they really know exactly what they're doing and they focus on one thing and they do it really well. So they focus on being the email marketing solution for creators, and then what this does in the visitor's mind is they'll say, okay, this was designed for me, so it's likely that this is better than other tools that I'm looking at. So that's already creating a huge difference in mindset to whenever someone is looking at this page, because now they see, okay, this might be the best solution for me. So I think they explain the features. They explain the features well. You can understand how how you can use their product to get the result that they want, which is one big question, right? So I think this explains very well. I haven't used ConvertKit, so they might be missing a couple of unique selling points or unique features that others don't have that I don't know that they have because I haven't used it. But so far this looks really good, and I really like the way they use social proof from big influencers for the type of people that are looking at this page. Because, for example, Pat Flynn is a huge influencer in terms of bloggers that are making good money with their blogs, right? And then they show that they can easily get started with the integrations that they already have. They can import their data. It's very seamless and so on. And what I really like about this is one thing they're not showing at all. So one big pain in the ass of every email marketing tool is that you have to move every subscriber, every campaign, and the tracking gets messed up and so on. So what they'll do is they'll help you do the migrations. They'll actually do it for you, right? With a merge of integrations and having their team do it, you'll get the biggest pain in the ass, the biggest resistance for people to get started. They actually deal with it and they actually do it for you. So the problem is that it's hidden away right here, right? So if I had a specific section telling me about it, then I'll see it and I'll be more likely to convert. The only problem is it is hidden somewhere around here. So they'll say, yep, we'll move every subscriber, every sequence and form. So imagine how important this is and how hidden away it is, right? And then the other thing that I don't really like is that the call to action now is very unclear. So you give me three options instead of having one really clear option of saying, okay, here's why using ConvertKit is risk-free. Here's why I don't know 10,000 other bloggers are using it. Here's how you can get a free trial or a money-back guarantee, or you'll get tons of support, whatever it is, to make them seem that this is a low-risk solution. This is what you'll have to do, is just have one clear call to action. And then if they want to have an alternative, which totally makes sense, they could do, okay, here's some free training on how to use email marketing to double your income or something like that. So now they can show the bloggers how they can use email marketing to get more money, and they'll see ConvertKit as the solution to getting more money, and then it will make the pricing seem like a no-brainer. And the other thing is that they added a free plan, and they're not talking about that here. So yeah, that's about it for this landing page breakdown. Hopefully you understood this better and hopefully understood how they explain their product well and the couple of things that they're missing, which could still make a big difference. And if you're interested in understanding how I can help you further, you can go ahead and apply for a free 60-minute consultation. And what we'll do in this consultation is I'll look at we'll really jump on a call to understand, really define where you want to go, what's your goal, and defining it really well and why you want to get there. Then we want to look at your current solution and see, okay, here's what's working, what's not working, and try to see what's wrong and why you can't really achieve that desired goal just yet. And then by the end of the call, we'll craft a plan on how you can get there, and I'll show you personally what I think you should do, what I think you should change, how you should do it, and so on. And at the end of the call, you can decide or not if you wanted to do it with me or if you want to do it yourself. And if you want to do it yourself, I'll even include a few resources so you can do it yourself, better, and you're more likely to get results. So if you're interested in that, just go to cortez.design/apply, and this is just an application for a 15-minute call to see if you're a good fit for this free consultation. And if you're interested in that, just go to cortez.design/apply, and if you have any questions about this, just DM me on LinkedIn or email me at that email. That's about it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and have an awesome day. Cheers.